Scott Groves with another mortgage mystery. What is a banker versus a retail loan operation versus a broker versus why are there so many different types of loan officers? Well, this can get a little confusing, and obviously I'm a little biased due to the channel of mortgages that I choose to work in. So first of all, let's address the retail loan officer who works at a depository institution. This is your stereotypical loan officer who works at big bank ABC, XYZ, and they sit in the bank doing loans for clients who happen to walk into the bank looking for mortgages. That's one type of loan officer, and we normally refer to this as a depository institution loan officer. They'll work at a large bank or credit union or somewhere where they work 9 to 5 and wear a suit. Then on the far other side of the spectrum, we have the independent mortgage broker. Now, the independent mortgage broker basically forms their own LLC or limited liability corporation, and they effectively are a self-employed loan officer who goes out and finds their own clients, gathers the application, and then sells the loan to what's called a wholesaler. So those brokers, although they can be great and they serve a really important purpose in the mortgage space, they're not actually the ones doing the loan or funding the loan with their own money. Now, and again, I'm biased about this, but I work in the retail lending space. So I choose not to wear a suit and tie every day. I did that for 9 years with Washington Mutual. I don't want to work at a bank where the large bureaucracy of a large company tends to make it a little bit more difficult to get loans done. When we've seen companies lay off, or we've seen interest rates go up, or we've seen the market be a little challenging, a lot of times these larger behemoth retail depository institutions, they can't really change with the times or hire or fire fast enough, and they'll extend their timelines out to like 60 or 75 days to close a real estate transaction, which if you need to get your loan to close the real estate transaction just isn't acceptable. On the other side of the spectrum, I'm personally not interested in being a broker because I don't want the headache of running my own business and not having command and control over the underwriting process or those wholesale representatives who are the ones who are actually doing the loans. Right kind of in the middle, in my opinion, the fit that's just right for our team is called the retail mortgage operation. And a retail mortgage banker or retail mortgage company tends to be a large corporation with a lot of support staff and enough money or line of credit or balance sheet where we can fund our own loans, we can make our own decisions. We operate kind of like a bank, but we're a bank that doesn't do checking and savings and safe deposit boxes and investments and credit cards. We only do mortgages. So in my opinion, it's kind of the best of the both worlds. We're very specialized in only doing mortgages, similar to the brokers, but we've got the size and the power and the money of a large bank without having to deal with all that extra bureaucracy. So again, you'll frequently hear people compare, contrast, complain, start arguments over what the best channel is. It's really just what's best for the loan officer and how they want to approach their business. There's pros and cons to each, but I think our team is kind of right-sized, right in the middle with a large retail bank operation. So if you have questions about getting a loan, really none of this should matter because we're all playing with the same programs, with the same interest rates. It's just a matter of who you trust, who can help educate you, advocate for you, and give you great customer service. We would love for that to be our team. Give us a call, shoot us a question, leave a comment below, like, subscribe, do all the things you're supposed to do since we're giving you all this education for free. But if you need to get a mortgage, we'd love to help you. Shoot us an email, and if for some reason we're not licensed in the state where you're getting a mortgage, we've got a great cross-section of lenders and loan officers across the country who we can refer you to. Scott Groves with another Mortgage Mysteries. Thanks for watching.